I was the kind of kid who would gather my family at dinners and, start performing for them. And it was a punishment because they would have to sit for like 2 hours and I would have a playlist of Bollywood songs. Usually in India, education is given a lot of importance. You have to score like those number of marks, and there's a lot of pressure. But for us, it was a little different. Our parents kind of concentrated on overall development for us, and I think that really kind of created a lot of opportunities for us. And the environment was always very progressive. We were always asked to follow our dreams. We were always asked to go for whatever we want.
ग्रेटर नोएडा सपनों का शहर है और हम लड़कियां उसका फ्यूचर.
So I think my film choices are definitely an extension of who I am and what I believe in. I've always played characters that are very empowered. These women are strong. They stand up for what's right. They have a very strong voice, and they are go-getters. They are survivors. They are achievers. And I think that this comes naturally to me because I've kind of been surrounded by such women.
मिस्टर गिप्पी,
क्या?
फैक्ट्री वर्कर हैं, आपके गुलाम नहीं.
I'm not necessarily chasing films that have a social message. That's not the idea. The idea is always to entertain your audience. But I feel in today's times, the times that we live in, it's important to also kind of impart them with something to think about. If I speak of Toilet Ek Prem Kathaya, the film happened at a time where Asia, especially the Indian subcontinent, we had a very big problem of sanitization, people of open defecation, and it led to so many issues.
मर्द तो घर के पीछे बैठ जाते हैं, पर हम तो औरतें हैं, हमें तो हर चीज के लिए ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी.
So even where Love Stories is concerned, what excited me the most here was the character of a woman who, irrespective of her class divide, kind of succumbed to what she wants.
लाएगी नहीं, गंदी साली.
नंगा साला.
And she's extremely strong and she's extremely empowered, and that's the beauty of Love Stories. She's a girl who has wants. She's a girl who has sexual wants, and that's something that's never discussed or spoken about on Celluloid. And that's exactly why I love Dolly Kitty as well. It's a film that celebrates womanhood. It's a film that celebrates what being a girl is, what your wants are, what your desires are. It's unapologetic, it's raw, it's real. And these are the characters that I want to do.
लेकिन सितारे तो रात के अंधेरे में ही चमकते हैं.
Every film that I've been a part of has made me a better human being. It's made me more empathetic. I've learned so much about grassroots level problems. I've learned so much about what women face on a daily basis. And I was very privileged not to face those things because of the family that I'm born into. But this is not everyone's reality. The general reality is very different, and I get to portray these women from different stratas of the society, and I think it's the most fulfilling part of being whatever I am.